Oh yeah, I got something on there. What's that? Oh, that's some scrap. That's some scrap and something else on there too. Something dangling. Oh, that's a gun, my friends. That is a gun, my friends. Oh, check it out. Gun off the bridge. Whoa. Nice. Holy cow, Bob Happy. Scrap? Get the crap out of here. Oh, this is a big gun, too. Look at this one. Whoa, baby. Safe handling. I do believe I have to call the cops on this one. I don't know. But that's a gun, my friends. Nice. Okay. That bad boy down. Even the people in the cars were watching, having a good old time. Excellent.